afternoon to all my students. I am very happy for seeing your sincerity to my biology classes. I hope that you must have to do your concept clear, ask any type of doubt. I'll try my best to clear it. Today we'll have to discuss about that of taxonomy, and you must have to learn that what is taxonomy. The process of classification is called taxonomy, and Carlos Linnaeus, you know that. So this botanist, physicians, zoologist and taxonomist, for the first time he enunciated and he just launched a term, that taxonomy, and that taxonomy that you will have to know about the process of classifications. And you all of you know that the process of classifications, that external and internal structure along with structure of cells, development process, ecological organizations, information of organism are essential and the basic of modern taxonomy studies. Then hence characterization, identification, classification and nomenclature are the process that are basic to taxonomy. Taxonomy is not something new, because taxonomy was also known earlier, and that taxonomy was known earlier, and that taxonomy was first coined by A.P.D. Kondule. A.P.D. Kondule for the first times coined that of term taxonomy, and that taxonomy, and you know that that taxonomy categories, and you know that there are 7 taxonomic categories. The first one is that of species, then genus, then family, then you'll have to come order, then you have to come to that of class, then you have to come to that of phylums, and then kingdom. And for that of phylum, that is for animal point of view, for plant of point of view, that is called what? That is called division. So it has made such arrangement and category, that 7 fundamental categories, and there are also some subcategories, and taxonomists have also developed subcategories in this hierarchy to facilitate more sound and scientific placement of various taxa. And so that if you have to learn about that, for example, if you have to cite the example of human beings, and if you have to learn about that of species, first species, then genus. Species, you know that you are Homo sapiens, then genus, it is Homo, then family, you have to Hominidae, then if you have to come to the order, then it is primate, and then if you have to come class, it is Mammalia, then if you have to come to the phylum, it is Quadrata, and kingdom, that is Animalia. But there are certain subcategories, what that means, which make the system of classification more sound and more attractive. And if you have to learn about that of some subcategories, if you have to take the example of human being, Homo sapiens, you will have to learn about that. First one, it is species, then you will have to come to that of genus, then family, that is Hominidae. You know that Homo sapiens, that is our species, genus is that of Homo, and if you have